friends, welcome to my channel. So my exams are going on, so I was unable to make any refreshing video. But now I thought I should make a video on my small journey on YouTube. So I made this video to entertain you and refresh me too. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Ab Naya Kya? Now you know why I named my channel Ab Naya Kya, because I need to do everything new and creative every time. So now let's start with my journey. My first video, which you'll be surprised to know that, was a story, Neki Kar, which is really close to my heart. Then I made another story, A Lady and a Kind Man, which is in both the languages, Hindi and English. Then I thought to do something new and creative and made videos on calligraphy, in which I taught how to write upper and lower cases, months of the year, days of the week and numbers 1 to 10. Then the festival season began and I made a video on Ganesh Chaturthi, in which I taught how to make a sketch of Lord Ganesha and paste it on a photo frame and decorate it. It turned out to be very beautiful. Then I switched on to make a wall hanging for my teacher on Teacher's Day, and I also made a lovable gift for my father on Father's Day with a thank you note on it. And finally, I came in a video in which I made weekly planner for exams to score good marks. We'll see you very soon with my next upcoming video. Till then, enjoy my old videos. So I hope you liked my small journey on YouTube as much as I did by creating it. Till then, all the best for exams and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye for now.